Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, and also it will say Do Not Disturb mode on right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you enable the mode, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable the Do Not Disturb mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, it will say Do Not Disturb mode off, the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, we can scroll down, find the option called Quiet Modes, tap on it, and here scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode, and then you can tap on the switch to enable it, or tap on the switch to disable it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.